Welcome back to this lesson. Let me bring in the KPI visual. As I discussed previously, KPI visual is very useful. As the name suggests, you can give it a target and give a value which needs to be compared against that target, and it gives you the picture like whether that target is achieved or not achieved, how much more we need to do to achieve that target. So let's see how to give life to this visualization. For that, under like in the value, what I would add is the under value, what I will add is unit sold. And once I add that unit sold, and I will move date in trend axis, so you can see the trend quickly. And then let me move the target. So but I don't have target as of now as a column, right? In that table that I had uploaded, I didn't had a target column. So now I'll not go back to that Excel sheet and add a column with the value of target. Other than that, in order to have a good refresh speed, the best thing is to add a measure. So I will right click on the table, click on new measure. So it will allow me to add a measure. Here I will name the measure as KPI target, and let's assume that the target for units sold is 100,000, and I will click on enter after entering 100,000 here. So now you can see that the measure is added, KPI target. I've just given a value to this measure as the value is 100,000. That's it's a simple measure. I will move this newly created measure onto target. So it matched this target with the actual units sold, that is 105,000 units. 100,000 is the goal. So you can see that we have met the goal, and it's showing us like plus 5.48% is the over and above the goal that we are achieving here. So this is a very good visual to quickly see like if any of the metrics have been achieved or the target have been achieved quickly. So now what I will try to do is add a title properly. We already have the title here. I need to just format it, do some edits. Okay, so I will do that quickly. Make sure it's bold. Text color is white. Background is black. And the size is 17. So that it matches with other visuals. Okay, so yep. So I'm done with this visual. See you in the next lesson, wherein we'll discuss how to add a table visual, and it's going to be interesting. See you in the next lesson.